Hi everyone, my name is Vandana and I'm a UX designer. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a practical use, the creation of the user flow that I have recently created on the Figma. I have created it for my organization currently I'm working with, but although it is a live feature, so I don't see any harm to show you guys that. Also, it is a very small feature and it's basically an email verification for the user. uh, it's a small feature, plus I haven't done any user research behind it, maybe because of time, and maybe we don't have sometimes enough resources to do the user research. So how I have created that flow on the basis of my common sense and with the help of my product managers, I will walk through it and hope it will help you guys to learn the scenarios, positive, negative, and other user scenarios, uh, to create while to think of while creating any user flow. So let's begin that.
Problem statement with the company is to user was not verifying the email, and they're just landing on the app and start exploring. But being organization, it's important to collect the data, and how one user email is one of the pathways. So as the users sign up, after the sign up process, so we just thought to give the full name and the email address asked for it, and once the user will fill it, we are telling them to continue. Okay, so once the user will continue, we are showing this screens, check your email, and we have given this copy, click on the verification link, send to your email, and the email and link will be expired in 1 hour. We are not doing it by any code or this, uh, because of it is not functional, and we have to release this feature immediately, and we thought not to go ahead with it. Okay, so uh, yeah, so why I have created recent link, why I have created it like disabled, because it says the email will be the link will be expire after the 1 hour. But if in that time, if also user were unable to verify their email, we will make this button abled, okay, after 1 hour. So that is the scenario of it. After, suppose if user have continued here and we shared the link with him, and the user went to on the email and confirmed the link by the confirmed the link by the email, then we this screen, after this screen, automatically email verification will come, and we are showing a one of the copies that your email have successfully verified, and we are saying it done. Okay, but what is happening when the email verification has failed? Suppose we have sent the link to the user, but it has been failed, okay, because of some reason. So we are saying your email verification has been failed. Do you want to re-enter, your email, or you want to use any other email? Because here, if user, suppose if we have taken the scenario that if my user has taken added it some wrong email or some random email, so we are giving here him opportunity that okay, you can just refill your email, you can give the same email, or you can just give us a different email. Okay, or if you have put a wrong email by mistake, you maybe characters missed any character or something, so you can just fill it out again. Okay, once the user will fill it out, it will be enabled again, and once user will uh, click on the verify again, same though similar, I can show you the similar uh, flow will be continued. Okay, yeah, so similar flow will be continued once the user will click on the verify again. Okay, so yeah, we have also created few of the scenarios. Before we have discussed the scenario if the user was not able to verify their email in 5 times, then we will block or suspended their account. But as a user experience designer, I thought it would be not good from the user or the business perspective. So that's why I have kept this screen that okay, you can retry and re-enter your email. That this is one of the reasons. Also, we have kept this screen. Okay, so now the scenario comes that might be user have filled everything and but they have filled but they wanted to just go back. They just as a user, as an empathic designer, you just can't forcefully tell them to just fill and continue. So we have here a back button. So if suppose the user have clicked the back button here, cross button here, so we are giving them a pop-up that okay, your account will be blocked. If you don't verify your account, your account will be blocked or suspended soon. Still, if they wanted to go back, they can go back. But if they want to, verify after reading this blog, then okay, the again screen will come. Same similar screen. They will leave. They will come on similar screen. This screen. Okay, so this is one of the scenarios if user wanted to go back in between. What about the suspended screen? We are saying that we will block your screen, block your email or suspend your email. Then there is one suspended screen is required. Okay, email verification. We are saying your account has been suspended due to the failure of email verification, and for for anything because why we are giving the support button here and the verify button here, that we don't want to lose a user as a app or uh, just on the app we don't want to lose our user. So we said here okay, you can contact support if you have any doubts or something, or you can just try again to verify. Then it will leave this will leave user to this similar screen. This screen once the user will click on the verify or and if they wanted to contact the support, then that screen will come. That I didn't handle because that is from the totally developed site. Okay, then I have created some not created but I have added some illustrations and everything to showcase. That is another part. So now this one flow has been ended, but another flow is user have already entered. They have cancelled the pop-up here, also ignored it from here. So here we are saying that okay, now we are giving user opportunity to you can go to the profile and verify your email from there. So now there is also two cases. One, that user have entered the verification email id but did not verified it, and one case is user did not added their email id at all. Okay, so this is the when email we have email id but it is not verified. Okay, so another is when there is no email ID. So I have given the very because we have email ID, then user wanted to go, just needed to click on the go to the just verify screen, and here they wanted to edit the email. So you can see some of the design consistencies here, but again I will say that these screens have been created by some another designer and I have only been editing them and making improvements. So we don't have time to entirely change the screens and convert it into one according to one design system. So yeah, this is something that we can ignore. So once user will click on the verify, they will get this screen. So now there is a case that if email is not filled at all, so user will get this screen and they first needed to put their email id and then they needed to verify. But if id is already present, then they can we are pre-filled it and we are saying just click on the verify and verify the email. And again, if user clicks on the verify, then this verification flow will be start for the user. Okay, we don't have to create another verification flow for it. I just copy pasted the screen here, what I have created for original verification process. Now, same will happen if the user will click a cross button, then, again, they will get the pop-up that, okay, your account will be suspended. Yeah. So now, Mm, I got instructions that we also have to show the pop-up in between to verify the email. So suppose this is the case that user has been filled and verified the email, but there is a cases that user will not fill it. Okay, they will click the close button and just go. And this case has been created when user will go to the profile there, they will edit their email verification um, and verify it. But what if user will not go on the verification profile, sorry, the profile uh, uh, page at all? Okay, if user won't go there, they will not able to see this option and they will not able to verify. So what we are doing is we will give the pop-up timely. So you have, as a designer, you also have to think like, okay, what happened if this is not succeeded, this is not succeeded. So which is called the edge cases. So edge here, it's not kindly proper edge case, but yeah, this is some of the negative flow that, okay, what will happen when user will not go on the profile at all, they will not able to see the email verification option. So what you will do as an organization in that case, we are giving the pop-up to the user. Okay, so we give the pop-up. Again, there is a cases that if a user have been not filled their email ID at all, they will give this, we will are giving this empty um field. But if user have already filled the email but didn't verified it, so just we will give the pre-filled email, and we are just telling them to verify your ID. And once user will click on the verify, again the verification flow will be started, right? Just copy paste this screen. And again, from here, if user try to cross this pop-up, then again we are telling them key, uh, if you don't verify your account, you will be suspended or the blocked. And again, if they ignored it again and again, their account will be suspended. So this is one of the you can say user flows for email verification. It has covered most of the possible cases, but do